This is Manjuna Chandria. Today we'll be learning how to find the ending inventory of your stock of particular materials. So I have a data here with the material name, material code, and the stock in and out. Stock in and out is like the stock. When stock comes in, it will be debit in positive, and if the stock is going out, then it will be a credit. So we need to find the quantity in for a particular material code and quantity out for that material code, and what is the pending stock. So first what we need to find the material name. So we have already plenty of material names here. I'll just copy this, go to the column M, paste it. So we trying to get the unique values. So I'm going to delete the duplicates. So I'm going to remove the duplicates. Once you remove the duplicates, so there's a format problem. So I'll just go to paint, format painter. So just format it. So now we're going to add a data validation. So we will get a drop down where based on this material name. For that, go to data, data validation. So list, under list source, go to the source and select the this unique material name. Click OK. So now you able to see we have the drop down. We can select the each of the material name. So we need to find the material code. For that, we can use the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP open bracket, select this material name, comma. So we need to get the code. So it's here. So A and B, I'm going to select both the cells. So once you select, comma 2 for the second column, because first column, second column is the material code, comma 0, close the bracket. Once you go, you are able to get the material code. See, we can change the drop down here. Now it is changing. Plastic pellets, you can go and check it here. PP003. We need to find the quantity in and quantity out. Quantity in is the challenge is where we need to see all the positive values that should pick it here, and negative values should be the quantity out. So for that we need to use the SUMIF function, because two criteria. One criteria is based on this material we need to find the each material what is the quantity in. In means that you need to find only the positive values. So for that reason you can use this SUMIF function. SUMIF open bracket. So you can click this fx function, you'll get a dialog box. It will be much easier to understand. Sum range. So it's asking a sum range. So sum range is we are going to sum the quantity stock in and out. So I'm going to select the entire column. Criteria range is saying criteria range 1. So we need to find the range. What criteria we are trying to find? The criteria is material code. So I'll go to change the range. It says range. So I'll go to the B column, select this column, go to criteria. So under this B column, what we are trying to look is the material code. So I'm going to select the one. So you should understand carefully is that it says criteria. Criteria means it will be always one. Criteria range means it will be set of rows, means one column or this range. So that's the reason we have selected the range here. B enter column, here we have selected only the F2. First criteria. Second criteria is we need to find only the positive value because it's quantity in G column. For that, what I'll do, I'll go and select this C column, because under C column in criteria what we are trying to do is greater than 0. So we are trying to match the positive values. You see tab. So now you can see the answer popped up here. Click OK. So let's try to check. So pellets. Under pellets we have 1000 quantity. So I don't think we have any pellets positive value. So it is take picking here. So we got the first one. So we need to find the next is the quantity out. So either you can copy this formula or you can just paste it here. Okay, and instead of, just click on this again, instead of greater than, just put it as less than 0. So we need to it's a quantity out, that is nothing but the negative value, that's in inventory is going out. So I'm just going to select less than 0 here. If you do tab, so now you can see 1500. Let's see, that's the answer correct, 1500. Let's try to check the material. So 1000, and we have here, so if you add these two it is 1500. So we are finding, you can do a plus of these two. So pending stock showing credit because I think some quantity has come in that is not had been recorded here. So if it is not recorded, such a reason showing inventory 1000, whereas out has gone at 1500. Maybe the inventory which came in that the people who are not recorded. So we'll go and record it again here. Take this same material code. So we'll add it as 2000. That has come. People didn't record it. So once you do, now you can see now it has been positive. So inventory cannot be negative here. Pending stock cannot be negative unless you have not recorded the quantity in. So now we have a 1500. So you can change this to steel. See, same thing. Some people have not recorded the uh, quantity. So we can find it here. Just paste it here. Oh, let's say steel. Just to adding it. I will add it as 600 positive. So now it is picking here. So we can find, can do a reconciling here, seeing that whether this stock has been recorded correctly. If not, then we need to cross check it why they are not recorded. So this will help you to reconcile the inventory in and out as well as the pending stock. I hope this session was helpful.